This home is your pocket oasis in the busy city of Mandaluyong. Being in the middle of EDSA and the city of Manila, you are literally in the middle of the metro, being near to a lot of commercial areas in Pasig, Makati, BGC, and all schools that surround the cities as well. If you like what you're hearing, watch till the end to see more. Hi Asset Mart friends, and welcome back to another Asset Mart Global House Tour. Now, we're in Mandaluyong. This is a little bit different from our old house tours. So now we're going to show you a little between the high-end properties that we've been showing you lately. This one is really a gem. This is your oasis in the middle of Mandaluyong. Being so close to a lot of commercial areas, being 10 minutes away to Rockwell, and being in between EDSA and the city of Manila, you're really very capable of going anywhere around the metro in this home. So now we're looking at a 100 square meter lot area with a total floor area ranging from 315 to 318 square meters approximate. It has a total of 4 bedrooms with their own ensuite toilet and bath, and 2 additional powder rooms located in different floors of the house. So let's start. So as you noticed earlier, yung kanina sa garage natin, it has automatic gates. So you can access through the gates through this smart key fob. So you can open and close it just using this one. So you have to have it to open your gates, giving you a lot of more security and safety. But as you can see now here in the car garage, you can fit up to 2 cars. I would say generously kasi medyo mahaba siya, as you can see. So very modern looking house, and as you enter the house, meron din siyang keypad here to open the house, but you can also access through the key. So may meron din siyang smart and old school technology being used. First thing that we will show you is this den. So this den is transformed into a TV room. There are 3 houses available here. This one that we're showing you right now is the fully furnished one. And honestly, this is what I would really suggest because it's really the one that has value for money. So, lahat na nakikita nyo dito, from the couches, from the giant TV that's in front of me here, is also included. So, in order for you to customize it, you can also change this up. For example, if you want to do this entirely a different bedroom, or you want it to a workstation, you can also do that here. But all of this, the AC, the TV, the couch, and the lamps are already included. So, that's the first feature of this home. And moving forward, here is your first powder room. So it's quite large. I really appreciate the wallpaper here. It's very artistic. But marami pong fixtures na ilalagay dito kasi nga fully furnished siya. And the creative part of these kinds of houses being just a lot area of 100 square meters, talaga nagiging creative sila when it comes to fixtures, just to save space and make sure that the people don't feel that they're cramped. So, for example, this one is naka-wooden, well, it's plastic, it's just wooden tiles. But dito na yung breaker mo nakatago para hindi rin siya masyadong pangit tingnan, di ba? So, going to the first bedroom here, being that nauuso na rin kasi na extended family, like I mentioned in my previous house tours that we did, most of the new houses that we tour always have a bedroom in the ground floor for the elderly and for those who can't really walk the stairs too much. So this is the first bedroom. This is quite different from the bedrooms that you will be seeing on the different floors because this has its own lanai area. But very massive bedroom, very nice bed, na included na when you buy this house. Interior designed very well. I guess kung ako, I would change up the wallpaper. But that's on you when you buy this property. It includes AC, cabinetry, and the TV already included. So going up here, I guess this is one of the places na ma-appreciate talaga ng taong titira sa kwartong to because ikaw lang ang may access ito. So, fresh air, well, technically, hindi siya super fresh kasi medyo enclosed siya. Pero, given that you're in a 100 square meter property, this is very nice to have. So, tara, ito naman tayo sa second floor. Before we go to the second floor, meron din kasi siyang ensuite toilet and bath. So, what's different from this one is actually may handrails na. Kasi nga, ang iniisip din ng gumawa ng house na to is that the PWD or the elderly will be using it. So, at least, safe ka from any accidents that may occur. And mabuti ng safe to prevent anything from happening, right? So going towards the second floor, you will see that it's made out of wooden steps and metal railings here. Actually, na-appreciate yung black and brown na contrast that gives more character towards this stairway. But before anything else, let's visit the first bedroom on this floor. So, yan. Halos same lang yung space. Kaya sabi ko kanina, the difference is may lanay area lang yun nasa baba. But this one is a pretty large room also. May bed frames na and everything. Also, the cabinetry is also included. And you also appreciate na may TV na rin siya. Actually, upon filming this, kakarating lang talaga ng mga appliances. So, makikita nyo talaga na brand new. And may kasama na siyang TV rack. AC is also included, and of course, it has its own ensuite toilet and bath. So this is your kitchen and living room area. So as you can see, being that it's a living room, kita rin siya from the outside. I really appreciate this piece of glass kasi nakikita mo rin kung sino yung guests mo inside the house. And of course, one of the good things about this place is you also have your smart intercom system that connects to your camera outside the house. So for example, you want to see if somebody's there, you can also check that from here. So you can also tell them, for example, ay kuya, paiwan na lang po ng delivery dyan. So pwede rin yun. So you also have a PO box outside that has a combination lock, so it will be extra safe for you to have your letters sealed and not be intruded by anyone who wanted to open your PO box. So inside this kitchen, you also have a big oven from La Germania. And you also have a 5-burner stove top, and of course, meron ka na ring range hood installed. So, a lot of cabinetries in this kitchen, so hindi ka rin mauubusan ng space. Again, I want to point out, kasi nga dahil nga 100 square meters lang itong house na to in total lot area, they had to be creative and efficient in terms of space. So, of course, you have a modular sink here na 2-sink system siya, tapos meron ka ring modular na lalagyanan for your fresh fruits and mga gulay. So, nakikita nyo naman yung dami ng storage spaces. And dito, of course, you also have your granite countertop. So, medyo malaki din siya. I would imagine more people staying here than just working or lounging around, talking to friends or your family before meals in this dining area, which we go right now. And of course, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-seater dining set. And you would also imagine already, ito yung magaganda pag fully furnished na yung house eh. Kasi you can really see how it will look like when you live here. And over here at my back is your very own living area. So you have an L-shaped couch over here. Very large enough na siya for the entire family. Feeling ko marami ding family members na tatambay lang dito, lounge around, maybe even sleep and have their afternoon naps. But as you can see at my back, meron ka ring sarili mong balcony in this living area. So there are 2 ACs here kasi nga medyo malaki yung space kasi very long yung layout. But you can actually put a TV over here for the family dinners after na gusto nyo mag-watch ng movies and whatnot. So lahat yan included na rin when you purchase this house. And I guess to give character to this house, you can put up your own paintings, buy your own tables, really make it your own. But as you can see, even if you buy this house, pwede na kayo lumipat instantly and live here already. So now let's go to the 3rd floor of this house. So punta na tayo ngayon sa 3rd floor. So the theme of the lighting fixtures here are all the same when you go upstairs. Yung wallpapers mo lang actually naiiba, but the lighting fixtures are the same. But reason kung bakit well lit pa rin tong areas natin because there are very big windows that cover the top area of the house that gives out natural light inside here. So this is your third bedroom of this home. And as you can see, nagdi-differ lang talaga siya in terms of what kind of fixtures are in it. Kasi nga, syempre, you need character in different rooms. So what's different here is you have your bed here, but you also have a lounge area or an extra bed located at the top. Usually, ang ginagawa dito, ginagawang couch. So for example, manonood kayo ng movie, pwede na lang kayo dito. Kasi ito, yung beam na to, hindi siya ganun ka-intrusive. So, pag nanonood kayo movie ng ganyan, pwede naman yung, for example, yung ikaw nasa baba, yung friends mo nandito, they can watch peacefully and actually very comfortably in this area without falling down kasi meron ko pa rin naman cover here. Going down, di naman siya ganun kahirap and hindi ka na magkakamaling magano kasi there's a wall in front of you. Malaki na rin, di ba? So, cabinetry here, TV here, your TV rack is also here, different din siya from each other room. And of course, it comes with its own ensuite toilet and bath. So let's go to the master's bedroom. So this one, mahalata mo na master's bedroom agad siya. Why? Because number one, the hallway pa lang sobrang laki na. Diyan yung master toilet and bath. We'll go to that later. But here is your master's bedroom. So take it in. Iba yung ambience. You can feel na the one who decorated this area, ginawa talaga siyang mature. Yung colors, very pastel, and yung na-appreciate ko, may parang denim type na colors here, tsaka patterns over here. Talaga nagko-contrast very beautifully inside this room. But of course, if you want to change that up, that's up to you. So you have a big bed over here. You get your own balcony located here. Yan. Mas maganda yung view dito kasi syempre you're higher up. Yan. And you get your own lounge chair over here. Pero meron ka ring small couch located towards my left side. So now let's go to the master toilet and bath. So usually in the master toilet and bath is where the CCTV is also located. So you have a his and her sink. You have your walk-in closet over here, your CCTV station over here, and of course your water closet here and your toilet is located over there. So medyo malaki din yung yung shower area. Kasi yun, may space talaga for two people. Naka-recess na rin yung wall for your toiletries. Very nice feeling. Hindi mahirap siya i-explain kasi you're just given 100 square meters to play with, and this is what they do with the space. So very efficient talaga. So now let's go to the fourth floor. So the fourth floor is actually a space for your staff quarters. So yun lang talaga ang makikita natin doon. As you can see to my right side, and then yung mga big windows na mentioned ko kanina para makapasok yung sunlight and to get your natural light inside the house. So, dito naman tayo sa staff quarters. So, the staff quarters are located here. Actually, pwede mo rin siyang i-change up na sarili talaga siyang bedroom na for guests and whatnot. No? Kasi maganda rin yung layout niya. Kasama na rin kasi yung bed frames tsaka tong yung studio area here na pwede ka talaga mag-work ganyan. So, yan. So, may kasama na rin siyang ensuite toilet and bath. And dito sa area na to, yung balcony natin, actually pwede ka rin mag-cook dito kasi may sinks din. So here in this spot is where you can do your laundry. Pwede ka maglagay ng sambayan dito. But honestly, with this view of Metro Manila, parang mas gugustuhin mo rin umupo na lang din and to relax. So, ang ganda ng view kasi onti lang din yung mga high-rises or even homes that have more than 4 floors in the area. So, makikita mo talaga yung Metro Manila skyline from here. Albeit na medyo noisy, syempre kasi you're in the middle of the city. This part is where you will also be seeing yung papuntang EDSA. Doon naman sa right side natin yung papuntang Manila. So, yan. So, as mentioned, pwede ka rin magluto dito kung gusto nyo mag-barbecue para at least outdoors, hindi masyado mga amoy sa bahay. You also have your modular sink over here. So let's talk about the price of this house. So this fully furnished house is available for 34 million pesos. But there is also a unit that is available that is unfurnished at 31 million pesos. But as you saw all the different details and all the furnitures and all the technology available in this house, you would really prefer to buy the fully furnished one. So if you're interested in this house, don't forget to call or text us at this number here. And if you're interested on other properties, may it be bigger, smaller, or different price point, you can find thousands of other properties available on our website at https://assetmart.global. And alternatively, if you want to sell your property, you can do that also on our website. Don't forget to click on this link at my upper right corner and make sure to fill out all corners so that we would know how to market or sell your property. So don't forget to follow us on our Facebook, Instagram, and on our TikTok at assetmart.global. And don't forget to subscribe on our channel at YouTube. And don't forget to ring that bell button icon to be updated on our next house tours. Again, I'm Kevin. I'm here to help you move in and move up with Asset Mart Global.